If you've ever wanted your text to look cleaner, more balanced, and more professional inside Adobe Photoshop, learning how to justify text is one of those small skills that makes a big difference. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to justify text in Adobe Photoshop step by step, so you can choose the right justification style for your layout and make your designs look much more polished. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips, beginner tutorials, and design workflows that save you time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you already have a text layer on your canvas. To do that, select your text layer in the Layers panel. If you haven't added text yet, use the Type tool to create a text box first, because justification works best on paragraph text inside a bounding box, not just on a single line of point text. Once your text layer is selected, go to the top menu bar and click Window, then choose Paragraph. This will open the Paragraph panel, which is where Photoshop keeps all of the alignment and text formatting controls for paragraph-based text. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes panels are collapsed or hidden, but the Window menu is always the fastest way to bring it back. Now that the Paragraph panel is open, look toward the bottom row of the panel. You'll see 4 different Justify icons. These are the options that control how your text stretches across the paragraph box. Each one behaves a little differently, so it's important to choose the one that matches the design you're working on. The first option is Justify Left-Left. This is one of the most commonly used settings because it stretches all the lines of text to fill the full width of the text box while keeping the final line aligned to the left. This usually gives you a clean, natural-looking result, especially for body text, captions, or content that needs to stay easy to read. The second option is Justify Last Centered. This also stretches the lines across the text box, but the final line is centered. This can look nice in certain layouts where you want a more balanced appearance, especially for posters, social graphics, or artistic text treatments. The third option is Justify Last Right. With this setting, Photoshop stretches the paragraph lines and aligns the final line to the right edge. This is less common for everyday layouts, but it can be useful when you're aiming for a specific design style or a more structured, right-anchored look. The fourth option is Justify All. This one forces every line, including the last one, to stretch completely from the left edge to the right edge. Use this carefully because it can create very large and awkward gaps between words, especially on the final line. It can work in very specific situations, but for most designs, it's usually not the best choice if readability matters. So here's a simple rule of thumb. If you want the cleanest and most readable result, start with Justify Left-Left. If you want a more styled or centered look, try Justify Last Centered. If you need the text to feel more aligned to the right, choose Justify Last Right. And if you want the extreme full justification effect, use Justify All with caution. Once you click the justification style you want, Photoshop will instantly update the paragraph text in your text box. If the spacing looks off, you can always adjust the width of the text box, the font size, or the leading to improve the result. Sometimes the best justified text isn't just about the paragraph setting. It's also about giving the text enough space to breathe. A quick tip here, if your text looks too stretched or too compressed, try resizing the text box before changing the justification option. Photoshop's justification can be very sensitive to the width of the paragraph area, so even a small adjustment can make a big difference in how the final text looks. And that's really all there is to it. You just opened the paragraph panel, selected the right text layer, and chose the justification style that fits your layout. It's a quick process, but once you know where the controls are, you can format text much more professionally in just a few clicks. If this Photoshop tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Photoshop tips, design tricks, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.